the Painting Baby Hand channel.
Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a simple and colorful butterfly. This is a fun and easy drawing that anyone can do. Let's get started. First, we'll start by drawing the body of the butterfly. Draw a long, slightly curved oval shape in the middle of your paper. This will be the butterfly's body. Now, let's draw the upper wings. From the top of the body, draw a large, rounded wing shape on each side. Make sure the wings are big and almost symmetrical. They should look like two large, rounded triangles. Next, we'll draw the lower wings. From the middle of the body, draw a smaller, rounded wing shape on each side. These wings should be slightly smaller than the upper wings. It's time to add some details to the wings. Inside the upper wings, draw two large oval shapes near the top and two smaller ones near the bottom. Then, draw one oval shape in each of the lower wings. This will give the butterfly a more colorful and interesting look. Don't forget the antennae. Draw two thin, curved lines coming out from the top of the butterfly's head. Now for the fun part, coloring. You can use any colors you like. For this butterfly, I'll use pink for the upper wings, orange for the lower wings, and yellow and green for the spots. The body will be blue. Feel free to get creative and use your favorite colors. Once you've colored in your butterfly, outline the wings and body with a black marker or pen to make the colors pop. This will make your butterfly stand out even more. And there you have it, a beautiful, colorful butterfly. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and keep drawing.
Thanks for watching.